Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Hotjar account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close your Hotjar account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently close your Hotjar account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common for you to switch over to a different service provider. So maybe you want to go ahead and permanently close down your Hotjar account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Hotjar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Hotjar account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently close your account down, you're going to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on profile. It looks like a little person icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the account and security section, and you just want to scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this red button here, delete account. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. Now they let you know you need to be an account owner. You can't be an admin in order to delete the account. And if you're sure you want to delete your account, it's going to initiate the process here, and everything's going to be permanently deleted within 30 days. So in order for this process to start, you need to enter in your password here, and then you need to check here, confirming that you understand deleting your account is going to be permanent. You can't undo this. Also, they let you know that once you delete your account, you're no longer going to be able to access the data that Hotjar has gathered on your websites. Once you've done that, be sure to click on the red delete account button here. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to permanently delete your Hotjar account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.